When was the last time you've cleaned out your refrigerator coils? It's really easy to do and takes only about 20 minutes or less. Let me show you how. Most manufacturers recommend you do this at least once a year. If you have pets though, I would say do it twice a year. And it doesn't take long at all for hair and dust to get back there and clog it up. But why is it important to clean your refrigerator and your freezer coils? Because it improves energy efficiency. Over time, dirt, grease, grime can accumulate on the coils. When the coils are covered in this layer of grime, they become less effective at transferring heat. This leads to increased energy consumption and higher utility bills. This can also cause your compressor to have to work harder than it needs to, leading to strain on the appliance. And that can result in premature wear and tear on the unit. My fridge is on wheels, so it is fairly easy for me to get it out.
If your unit is not on wheels, they do make appliance sliders that you can get to help you get it out easier. I will link those in the description below. Once you have your fridge away from the wall, you do want to unplug it first. And this is also a great time to go ahead and do a deep clean back behind the refrigerator. As you can see, I've got some pet treats in here that have accumulated behind mine. I'll just grab the vacuum, give it a quick sweep, and mop a couple of areas that need attention. Then I'll go ahead and vacuum the outside register cover just to get all of the dust that accumulates back there as well. To get started, I'm going to take the cover off of mine. My fridge coils are located in the back of my unit. That's where I've seen most of them on the refrigerators that I've had over the years. Some of them are in the front towards the bottom. Consult your owner's manual to find out exactly where yours are, or you can always search online with your model number and you should be able to find a diagram. So here are my coils inside. As you can see, they're not too bad because I do this every 6 months, but they definitely need a little bit of attention. I've got a few cleaning tools here. I've got this wire brush that came with actually a dryer vent cleaning kit, and I like it because it bends so I can get back behind there. I've also got this little dish brush that I like to use. Here's a wire brush if I ever have some stubborn grime to get off, a nice soft fluffy brush to get like underneath and around the sides. You can just use whatever brushes that you have on hand that works for you. You can use a shop vac, a vacuum cleaner hose. I've got a little hand vac. Whatever you've got available to you will work. And I like to just take my brush, and as I'm brushing back and forth on the coils, I've got the vacuum running so that it can suck up all that dust that I'm getting out of there. And once I've got the front done, I'm going to take this wire brush and bend it so that way I can take it across the top and get down into the back part. And as you can see, we've got quite a bit back there. So we'll just clean it off with my little vacuum and keep going. And I like to just keep going until I don't see any more dust on my brush when I pull it out. And then of course, don't forget to get underneath the bottom too. And there we are, all finished. Even though mine wasn't too bad, it still made quite a difference getting it cleaned off. And then of course, before I put the cover on, I'm just gonna make sure it's clean on both sides. And that's all there is to it. Now, don't forget to plug the fridge back in before you slide it back into place. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And of course, subscribe for more DIY Made Easy.